Hello everyone. So our today's topic is how to find the perpendicular distance from a point, let's say x1 comma y1, to the straight line. The distance between this point to a straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Perpendicular distance. Okay. So let us consider this point is x1 comma y1 and one straight line is given ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So the distance between this point and line is given by d is equal to a multiplied by x1 plus b multiplied by y1 plus c upon square root of a square plus b square. So only thing we have to just substitute the values of the x1, y1 and abc. So the value of abc you will get from the straight line equation, the coefficient of x, y and this constant part, and x1 and y1 is the point coordinate. Look at one example. Find the perpendicular distance of a point 5, 1 from the straight line 3x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. So here we have to find out the distance. One point is given 5, 1 and one line is given 3x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have to find out the perpendicular distance from this point to a straight line. So in this case our x1, y1 is this point. x1 is 5, y1 is 1 and the coefficient of x, y is our a and b. So a is here 3, b is here 4 and the value of c is nothing but 1. So we'll apply perpendicular distance formula and substitute the value. So d is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root of a square plus b square. Substitute the values. So inside the modulus, a is nothing but 3, x1 is 5 plus b which is 4 and y1 which is 1 plus the value of c which is also 1, all divided by square root of a square plus b square. So a is 3, so 3 square plus b is 4, so 4 square. So if we multiply these numbers, 3 into 5 15 plus 4 into 1 4 plus 1 upon square root of 3 square which is 9 plus 4 square is 16. Add the numerator, so 15 plus 4 plus 1 which is 20 divided by root of 9 plus 16 which is 25. So 20 divided by square root of 25 which is 5. So 20 by 5 which is nothing but 5 4 is 20. So the distance between this point and line, perpendicular distance, which is given by d is equal to 4 units. Look at one more example. The question is find the distance of a point 2, 1 from the straight line 24x plus 7y minus 5 is equal to 0. So let's say this is the point 2, 1. We have to find out the perpendicular distance from a straight line 24x plus 7y minus 5 is equal to 0. So in this case our x1 and y1 is this point. x1 is 2, y1 is 1. Coefficient of x which is a, coefficient of y 7 that is b, and the constant term minus 5 which is c. So we'll apply the formula. Distance d is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon square root of a square plus b square. Then substitute all the values. So modulus as it is, a is nothing but 24, x1 is 2 plus b is 7, y1 is 1 plus the value of c is here minus 5. So we'll put inside the bracket minus 5 divided by root of a square plus b square. So a is 24 plus b is 7. Now just multiply 24 multiplied by 2 which is 48 plus 7 into 1 7. Here plus minus become minus 5. divided by root of 24 square, which is 576, plus 7 square 49. Add the numerators. So 48 plus 7 minus 5, that will be 55 minus 5, which is 50, upon square root of 576 plus 49, which is 625. So 50 divided by root of 625, which is 25. So 25 to the 50. So distance is nothing but 2. Look at one more example. Find the distance of a point minus 3 comma 2. So let's say this is minus 3 comma 2, and one more line is there, 5x minus 12y plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have to find out the perpendicular distance from this point to a straight line. So here minus 3 comma 2 is nothing but our x1 and y1 value. A is here 5, B is here minus 12, and the value of C, which is 1. So we'll apply the formula, distance formula. D is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. Substitute the value. So a is 5, x1 is minus 3, plus the value of b, which is minus 12, y1 is 2, plus value of c, which is here 1, divided by root of a square plus b square. So a is 5, so 5 square, plus b is minus 12, so minus 12 square. Multiply the numerator, so 5 into minus 3 minus 15, then minus 12 into 2, which is minus 24, plus 1 as it is, divided by square root of 5 square, which is 25, plus minus 12 the whole square, that is plus 144. Okay, square of any negative number is always positive. Now just solve the numerator and denominator. So numerator will get minus 38, and denominator root of 25 plus 144, which is 169. So modulus is there, so minus become plus, plus 38, distance cannot be negative, and root of 169 is 13. So we cannot cancel out, so this is our distance from the point to the line, 38 by 13. So these two are practice question for you. Apply the distance formula, find out the answer, and comment your answer in the comment section. Thank you.